I'm seeing Tesla still to the upside. Tesla hasn't slowed down at all, has it? Should just be mindful. Tesla's at 3.5%, right? Which means it's up super, super, super high. Could have some serious breathe back here. I see our Tesla lottos are now up 35% since Friday. Tesla just taking off. There's $900. I just scalped on Tesla right there on that move to the upside. Nice. We saw the move. We attacked it. There goes SPY again to the upside. Tesla, same. Starting to breathe to the upside again. There goes SPY. Big banger to the upside. I just sold Tesla for another $600 profit right there. I'm now up $1,638 for this morning. It's now 9:35. I would not have to work the rest of the day. American Dream Trading.